Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Alight Motion on your PC. As you know, Alight Motion is a mobile app, so you cannot directly download it on your PC. For that, we need a mobile emulator, which will be BlueStacks. So if you don't have BlueStacks, just go to their official website and click download. After downloading BlueStacks, just open it and go to the home page, then select System Apps, then click on Play Store and search for Alight Motion. After that, you will have Alight Motion here. Just click on Install. After the installation, just click Open. And there you go. You have your Alight Motion downloaded on your PC. Just get started and use it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.